So we have a lot of things going on today. I am currently, once these boxes run out, hey guys, so don't mind me, I just got out the shower and I figure I'd jump back in and start making candles. So we're 2 weeks away from the next pop-up. I have one November 4th and December 5th. I'm limiting how many pop-ups I'm doing this year because if you don't know, I'm pregnant. I'm 5 months pregnant. And you know that if you follow me on Instagram because I post everything there first before I actually tell you guys. So I don't want to overexhaust myself, so I'm trying to squeeze these 2 pop-ups in now. I've noticed that earlier in my pregnancy that when I was doing pop-ups that ended around like 9 or 10 o'clock, I was extremely exhausted. The next day I had the worst migraines and nausea, so the doctor said I need to rest, which is obvious. These events are going to be a little bit earlier in the day, like around 12 to 5 or 12 to 6, so we can get home at a decent hour and I can just relax. So we're going to get started restocking some fragrances and also making some holiday scents so I can have that done. And what else are we doing? I think that's it. So let's go. This is a nasty curl right here.
I can make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. The sweetness of my life. Oh yeah.
Ooh, I don't know if I want to make this one yet. I'm not gonna make this one yet. I'm gonna wait.
Say you're leaving town, everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, 'cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost.
This is what happens when you don't prep
I don't feel right
the
when I
correct
dance
amount of
alone.
jars.
I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that.
So whenever I have a tiny bit of wax left over, I like to make tea lights with them. It kind of saves me time from just making random tea light batches. So that's what I'm doing now. See? I have a little bit in there. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, you can see it. And we're done. While these are drying, I'm gonna update the website with holiday listings. Just get all the contacts, verbiage, and things like that up there. All I have to do is add the photos afterwards. I'm gonna edit some Instagram content also. Follow me on Instagram if you're not already. And some other tweaks online too. Hey guys, welcome back. I don't know where I left off the last time I was vlogging, so we're just gonna pick right up. We have a lot of things going on in the studio today. I'm running a clearance sale on my 16-ounce jars, so I finally decided to get rid of these and just stick with my, let me grab it. I'm gonna stick with my 11-ounce jars in the original collection, and then my 8-ounce jars for my destination collection. And then of course I'll continue to sell my lip balms, perfumes, tea lights, room sprays, and things like that. I just feel as though if I can eliminate that size and just stick to these, I can concentrate more on these candles, and I can kind of invest a little bit more money, maybe updating the labels, things like that. I also decided to get rid of all of my gift boxes. So I'm gonna use what I have to package up my candles in the gift boxes, but once those run out, then I'm gonna stick to wrapping my candles in tissue paper. And I actually do want to update my tissue paper, because right now I'm just wrapping it up with this paper and then just putting a cute little label right on it to seal it closed. I actually want to use that corrugated, I think it's called like the honeycomb brown paper, to wrap it in. So I want to wrap my candles in those, but obviously I need to go through what I have here. So once I'm done with this, then I can upgrade my paper. So I'm gonna get through that. We're making a bunch of 16-ounce candles. I actually just dropped off at the post office and UPS about 10 boxes this morning. I probably should have recorded that, but I didn't. We had so much going on. And then if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I did a giveaway where I offered someone all of these boxes, because once I sell through all of these, I'm not gonna need these 100 other boxes. I have enough up here to run through this sale, but this I didn't need. So I offered this up to the first person who wanted it, and someone claimed it. So Stephanie from New Jersey, I think she's getting that. So hey Steph. So we're doing that. Then I need to do some administrative stuff and stamp all of these little muslin bags with my logo. Take some product photos for the holiday candles that I still haven't done, but I have them made. And then we're also getting ready for a pop-up that we're doing this Friday, because today's Tuesday. And that's it, so we're pretty busy. All right, so I showed you guys this about a week ago, and I still haven't even opened it. So that just goes to show you how much I procrastinate on certain things. So let's get this open. I guess I'll put it right here. Oh, this is a short plug. Oh, I think I have something over there. I'm excited because I never used one before. Oh no, my plug goes all the way out here. Alright, so I don't know how I'm gonna plug that in. I will figure that out later. See? Procrastination. I can't even say the word. Whatever.